thanks for joining once again. In this short video, I'll demonstrate how to count cells in Excel, like counting cells that has numbers in it, cells that have both numbers and text in it, and also counting blank cells in Excel. So let's get into it. So the first one is count. The count function simply counts, it says counts the number of cells in a range that contains contain numbers, right? And if I want to click this, right, and highlight our range, which is the age range, and count it, or let's say run the function, it will count the number of cells that contains numbers. And we can see from here that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cells that contain numbers. The next one, count A, right? It says count the number of cells in a range that are not empty. So this function will count both numbers and cells with both numbers and text in it, but will eliminate the cells that are empty. So if I'm to run this function and highlight the age column, right, it says there are 10 cells that contain both numbers and text in it. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right. And the last one is COUNTBLANK. And by its name, you can tell what it does. It counts the number of cells that are empty. It says counts the number of cells, counts the number of empty cells in a specified range of cells. So if I'm to highlight, or let's say click this and highlight our range and run it, we can see that there are 3 blank cells in this table or in this cell range, which is 1, 2, 3. All right, so thanks once again.